Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping Mowing, back with another video on a Saturday, bright and sunny here in Ohio. So I got a request from one of my commercial properties. They finally have decided with the owner next door of this property that this area between the parking lot is actually the property that I maintain. So at their request, I am here to spray all these weeds down through here, which is fine. I can do that. It's a nice sunny day, so it's fine. Spray it on there and it'll be baked by the afternoon. So yeah, just a quick little video for you guys. I gotta do a couple estimates today, so I'll be out and about. I might take you along with me on those. So we'll see. Just a short video. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Be safe. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.